if we've ever, let me go see if we ever got it in mail. Oh, you checked? Okay, all right.
Yeah, Mr. Joyce says there's probably gonna be a lot of houses all in separate areas, all in that lot, over on that side, all around this area. Looks like the other vehicle, I don't see it unless it's in at an angle from the isolation of interest perspective view.
Did they say?
I don't know.
Did they say how long it take to get the glasses? That's all right. That's all right. I'll ask you later.
Here's the green pole for the plumbing, blue for the water, green, you see green is the plumbing, the sewage area, the green, that's the green, the blue is for the water pipeline, yellow is for the gas pipeline, and I'm using Sherlock Holmes Spider-Man sense that the red is electricity piping.
I got an email from the Phoenix.
So either the other device is behind that white truck at an angle, or they only used it for that certain things, and then they went and used it somewhere else. Anyway, trying to think, over by Mosworth over that way, they got detours and all that over there, so they must be going to be working over there too. And IHOP, they're rebuilding too. So it's a busy day, including at the eye doctor. It's a busy day, but everybody's glad that there's a lot of people to get and a lot of people to get it done.